All right, we're gonna see 3 sunken boats today. We're visiting the first one. Let's see if there's any lobster on them. So I thought I'd film it. This first one was at least in the water for 30 years. It looks like an old Boston whaler. Last time I came, it was full of lobster, but this time 0. Okay, this is the second sunken boat. This one's bigger than the last. It's the whole boat. I'll show you what it looks like from the top of the water. Check that out. All right. So we want to see if there's any lobsters anywhere. Look at those snappers right there. So come along. You guys gotta stick around to the end, because that's the real big sunken boat. It's like a 35 footer. So, and all this is all in like 4 feet of water, 6 feet of water. It's pretty cool. This is the big boat. It's like 35 feet, I think. 35 feet. Let's dive it, see what's on it.